Welcome back, everybody. Eric Garrett Daily. Quick one today, and this is going to be one of the frustrations that I was having with programming the rolling code style of garage door opener. So I have a slightly older model, and I have a newer 2023 Subaru, and I'm going to show you how to pair with this device, even though this is a rolling code one. So as you can see, I do have it working. So it's working right now. This is how we're going to pair it, okay? So normally, how you would do this is, what you would do is you would go up here and you would hold here until it's blinking, and then you would push the button. So this is going to be the left-hand side you're going to watch. And you'd hold it up next to the mirror. And if it's done programming, it'll turn solid green. But if you notice in this case, I'm holding it down and it's not turning solid green. That's the easy way. The easy way is by doing it that way. So let me reset everything. So let's show you how to reset and then program these rolling code deals. So to reset, we're going to hold these two buttons until it starts blinking. Takes about a 5 to 7 second press. And it will reset both, okay? So now you know it's reset by when you push one of the buttons and you get a blinking orange light on all three buttons. Okay, so a couple tips for you. If you do not have a rolling code one, try moving the clicker around somewhere. Sometimes it works down here, sometimes it works over here, sometimes it works like right up next to it. So give that a chance first. And if that doesn't work and you're experiencing what I'm experiencing, here's how you do it. So what they don't tell you is that you need to learn the clicker side first, and then you need to learn the garage door side second. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. This is the way I solved it, and this is the way it's solved for most people. So if you have the rolling code like I do, what you need to do is you need to push and hold the button until you get it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to program the garage door button side, so it's going to blink green. That's step number one. Step number two is going inside and finding the learn button on your particular garage door. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's red, but basically on most models, you can either press or a slightly long hold, and it will go into learning mode. Learning mode on most of these is a blinking red light. So once you push this button, you have to run quick out to that vehicle and push the desired button 3 times in a push and hold style fashion. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna push this button. I'm gonna run to the car real quick and I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, racing back to the car. And I'm gonna find the desired one. I'm gonna hold it 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's how it works. And that was tripping me up for the better part of half an hour, because that was the key. You need both sides. You need the clicker side and the garage door side. So if you notice, left one, still no worky, and we're gonna reprogram that one right now. So we're gonna hold that one down, do the exact same procedure. Now we've got the clicker side, and we're gonna go over and we're gonna do the exact same thing on that side. I hope this was helpful. This was frustrating me for the longest period of time because I did not realize I needed both sides of things. I thought I could just do the learn procedure on the remote, on the door itself. No, you need both pieces. Okay? Hope that was helpful. If this was helpful to you, hey, drop a like and subscribe. Really helps me out. Thanks, folks.